Cancel Kindle Unlimited right here in your Amazon account. Okay, so basically we are in our Amazon account on our laptop. I find that it's most easy to manage subscriptions using your laptop or just a computer interface. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click on the accounts and lists. It's up here at the top search bar. And then we're going to scroll down to Kindle Unlimited. You can see it's right here. I'm going to click on that. So this is going to now show our membership plans. And as you can see, we're on the month-to-month, basically renews for $9.99 per month. So I want to go ahead and end this. I'm going to come down here on Manage Membership settings right here. I'm going to click on Cancel Kindle Unlimited Membership. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to do this? Obviously, we just paid, and so this is going to go through the end of the month for us. And yes, I want to cancel the membership here. As you can see, the membership has been canceled. So as you can see, even after cancellation, if you've already paid, then your membership will be good through the end of that period. Check your email because you should get something that looks like this. Basically, it's just confirming that you want your unlimited membership canceled. Again, you can continue your membership by clicking here or renewing at any time by going onto your Amazon account. Hope that helps, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you again on the next one.